My name is Jamalynn Holloway. I live in Lakewood, Colorado, and I'm currently pursuing my master's in counseling at CCU Online. So I've been in active addiction and an alcoholic. So much so that I had lost everything and everyone. And May 29th of 2015 at 9:14 p.m., as I counted my last $1.76 that I had to my name, I just called out, God, I don't want to be this person anymore. But God has restored everything. I have a bachelor's degree. My family's been restored. I have an amazing job, and I have hope for the future. I am living proof all things are possible through Christ. When I was evaluating which college to go to, I was at a place in my life where I was just really trying to follow God's call for my life, and I applied for a psychology degree because I saw a future in counseling, and I want to show other people that there's hope. One of the biggest things that drew me to making my final decision to become a student at CCU was my enrollment counselor.
Jamalynn, hey, how are you?
Even though I thought that there were things that were in my way that was going to prevent me from going to school, my enrollment counselor showed me that there were ways that I could overcome these obstacles and enroll. When I started CCU Online, I was a full-time adult life liver. And CCU's structure, with their one class per block and the flexible schedule, being able to log in when I needed to, I was able to fit school into my life versus having to wrap my life around school. CCU has played an integral part in really the restoration of our family. My children, my grandchildren, when they see me, they don't see my past anymore. They see what I've accomplished. And in where I'm at and where I'm going, CCU is the pathway for me. CCU is the beginning of my story, and it can be the beginning of your story too if you want it to be.